want smack it, he want have it. On my daddy, this shit smacking. She was a fairy.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode on my channel. It's your girl Mara Sade. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you're not. Today I'm not doing nothing at all. I'm just starting the vlog off so I have an intro for whatever I'm gonna be doing these past couple days. But yeah, I'm just making an intro. But right now I just got done packing a little spend the night bag because I'm gonna go spend the night at my mama's house and probably stay over there for a day. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just packing up right now. I'm gonna leave in like a little bit. And so yeah, this ain't nothing but an intro, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I make it to my mama's house. But before we get into the video, make sure y'all like and y'all comment, and make sure y'all sharing this video to your friends to let them know more about Mara Sade. And yeah. So it's the morning time. I just woke up. I just brushed my teeth and washed my face and stuff. And oh my god, y'all, look at this pimple, bro. Like, please. But yeah, today I'm not doing nothing. I'm gonna get in the pool later with my friends, and then that's probably it. But right now I'm about to do my lashes. I got these two lash cluster sets from TikTok shop. I'm gonna put the link in my description. But yeah, I got both of these from TikTok shop, and they came at the same time. So I'm gonna see what I could do with these, because baby, I need my lashes turned now. So this one comes with all of these lash clusters. Got the different densities of lashes. Only thing about this one, it don't come with bond and sealer and stuff like that. So you gotta have your own already. But I'm glad this one came in, because this one comes with bond and sealer. So here's the pink box. It's not as many as the other one, and they're not as thick, but I feel like these would be good for like spikes and stuff. I might use these. Well, no, these too long. Yeah, see, I don't know. It's not that many. These only have 16 to 12. So it's like, it's not really that many. But these probably be good for like spikes and stuff. So I'm gonna use that for spikes. And then it come with this. And it also came with a lash remover, but I don't know where that says. But this is the bond, and this is the tweezers that it come with. Anyway, y'all, so I'm doing my lashes. This is how they turned out, period. So cute. But now we just about to wait till my mama get here so we can go to the pool. I'm finna find something to eat because I'm hungry, I'm starving, and I don't know what I'm finna eat. Let's go to the kitchen. No comment. Tori, say something to the vlog.
Hey,
We finna go get the pool. We got all ordered up. I'm all ordered up.
That's you ordered up. Not us. We promote you.
And I'm ordered up. I'm gonna put some in my cup.
Oh, she right here.
Thank you. Time to go in the pool. Okay, y'all, we've been swimming. Finally got in the pool. I've been trying to get in the pool since summer started. Y'all finna jump?
I'm gonna see you. I'm not trying to risk myself. Boy, see how she be mean to me? She didn't want to play mermaids. It's a scary game. She must be scared. I see her. Yes, she is. I'm gonna drown.
Okay, y'all, we probably getting out soon. Cause I'm hungry, we hungry. I'm hungry. Okay, y'all, the quality might look different, but we about to go get something to eat. About to go get some grub. Y'all, she mad.
Be speeding the rape, all this down on my coochie. When we fucking, it feel like a movie. Right, bitch, ain't never been a groupie.
Y'all, we finna listen to Lotto. Okay, y'all, good morning. It's like 2 days later after the pool, and today I'm doing my sister's hair and my hair today. Yeah, that's what y'all go see today, but I got a little surprise. Y'all probably wondering why I'm outside walking so fast, y'all. We got a new dog. I'm finna show y'all the dog, but she is so cute. It's a freaking Frenchie, bro. It's so cute. I'm finna show y'all. This is the dog. She is so cute. Her name is Karma. We finna turn around though. Karma. Come on, let's go. We gotta bring her back home because I forgot to bring her bags out here. So she gotta use the bathroom at home. Yeah, I'm about to go back in the house probably because I've been walking her for a little minute and it's hot outside. But she is pulling me. Let's go. She's too happy to be outside. I can't see myself, y'all. That's how hot it is out here. No, ma'am. But when we get this on, I'm gonna feed her. And she got this little outfit up in there I'm gonna put on her because it is so cute. Come on, Carla. Let me see your wig, girl. Oh, that's fire. Oh, that's fire. Oh, yeah. Let me see.
Yeah.
Strike a pose.
That's it.
Oh, yeah.
That's her.
That's a
Pose, girl.
That is her.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was her girl?
Yes, but.
Bar. You spit them out.
What's up, y'all? Okay, so this probably is gonna be like the last part of my vlog because something going on with my phone. Like every time I get on my phone, it power off and then power back on, and then power off again, then power back on. It don't work unless it's on the charger, and that's only sometimes. So this probably gonna be the last part of this vlog until I get this fixed, so I can at least get something out before my phone just break. But I just came to show y'all that I'm doing my hair. I'm doing a ponytail, 36-inch bust down ponytail. And then my mic came in, y'all. It's pink and it's so cute. I just wanted to show y'all my mic and stuff before I start doing my hair, because I might make like a hair vlog type of thing after this, like for my TikTok and reels. But my mic came in what the packaging had looked like. I got this from TikTok shop. I got the pink one, and it came with 2 mics, and I think that's what you plug into your phone, but I can't unplug my phone, so I'm not even gonna be able to show y'all the quality. So I'm so upset. But yeah, it came with 2 mics, and it got the little clip on it, so you can just clip it on you wherever. And then this little thing, I have no idea what this is, but I'm gonna read into it. I'm gonna go through a review because I don't know. And then it came with the little fluffy things to put on it. Let me see what this look like, cause I don't like this little sponge looking thing. I don't put the fluffy one. Gotta do it, but this is the mic and a little button right here to turn on. But I don't know. I think this go in here. No. What go right here? Oh, I think this to charge it. Oh yeah, it do come with a charger. Yeah, it come with a charger too, y'all. I'm gonna put the link, the TikTok shop link to where I got this from in the description. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my microphones. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use these. This is so I've been wanting mics for so long, and I finally got them, and they pink. But okay, y'all, I'm gonna end the video off right here. I'm probably gonna start vlogging back tomorrow when my phone stop tripping, and show y'all my hair. But I'm gonna do my hair. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and you leave in the comments if you like this video so I can do more. I'm gonna see y'all in the next episode.